Moto Talk, the Triumph engine, vision to reality, unveiling the new motocross engine, just dropped over on the Red Button channel of Official Triumph Motorcycles. And I have to tell you, it's another huge disappointment. The title right here is not even correct. They didn't unveil anything. They showed us a few clips, mostly shadowy clips of an engine that looks very similar to an Austrian 2024, 250, 350 platform. And then they spent the rest of the video pretty much talking about themselves. That's right. We hear from Ricky Carmichael and where he is in his life, and Dave Arnold, and Clement Dassault helping develop this bike, Tedesco, all these guys. And I'm telling you, not one person that watched that video cared about any of that. They can read the forums. They know that there's a lot of people out there that think this bike is a rebranded KTM. We know it's not. But it is known that they at least took inspiration from the KTM engine platform. And from the pictures, it looks like they took a little more than just inspiration. You would have thought in this video, they would have gone to a little more trouble to state, how close to a KTM engine this is. But they didn't say really anything about the project. Besides about themselves. So what did they tell us about the engine? Well, Ricky Carmichael told us that, a lot of times you have to choose between low-end power or top-end power, and that this bike is somewhere right in the middle. It's got a good bit of both. Wow. Everybody says that about their engine. And I believe it was Ivan that told us that this engine's great for anybody, whether you're a beginner or you're riding Supercross. Bull. Guys, I'm a content creator. I make a living off some of these videos. And if even I am losing interest in this release, I can't imagine how most of the public feels. I just feel like they've wasted so much of our time. And don't get me wrong for one second. I am not a hater. I wanted to love this brand so much. I wanted to welcome them with open arms and see this cool new product. And they've just strung me along for 2.5 years. They put a bad taste in my mouth with this vaccination policy they have. It's just kind of been one thing after another. And now they have the audacity to put unveiling Triumph's new motocross engine, and they literally didn't even have a good photo of the engine in the video or tell us one single spec about it. So yeah, I'm a little bit pissed off.